Butterfly, butterfly, watch.
Butterfly, which part? Reggae, no?
Butterfly. Okay. Then no, that's why butterfly. Hello.
We never had this
Let
plan,
me see
Sunny.
your move. Let me see your move.
Sit down.
Send
This was not planned. This was not planned. We're supposed to come out and do some nice reggae music. And you come and spoil up with something about Butterfly.
Welcome to Daytime Live. I absolutely love Chronic.
You know, around there, plan out, say, all right, then they chose the worst two dancers to come out.
Listen,
on the
but
show
we can't
today.
dance. We can't dance. We can't dance.
And you're disappointed. You threw off my
I noticed you're in your get-up for celebrating Reggae Month.
I had to because, you know, Nisha and they were in the African Prince sometime last week. So I said, listen, I got dig up and I found this. I got this from the messenger many years ago. And, you know, I decided that it was appropriate to wear it on today's show because, you know,
it looks good. It goes with my green. It goes with my green.
Yeah, it does.
So we're still celebrating Reggae Month here on Daytime Live. And we were just skanking to the popular Lights by Chronics. I absolutely love this song.
And that is speaking of...
And speaking of love, Joel,
it's Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day. What's my gift? You still have time. Let me see.
I want to know which Joel you're talking. Joel Black?
I can't pronounce your surname, but I'm talking this Joel in front of me. Where is my Valentine's gift?
Check me next year.
Okay, guys, don't forget to connect with us via our social media. You can use Instagram and Twitter at TVJ_Daytime Live or Facebook at TVJ Daytime Live.
And if you want to be a part of our studio audience, log on to televisionjamaica.com and get listed.
All right, and remember to catch back episodes via onespotmedia.com. Okay, so let's get buzzing. First story. Joel is not very interested in this one, right? But ladies from all around the world are both sad and going through a bit of shock because Idris Elba proposed to his girlfriend, Sabrina. What's her name? Doya. Yes, she is a model. And he did this while attending the screening of his debut, Yadi, in London. And of course, because we are in the time of the iPhone, the cute moment was completely caught on tape and captured by the attendees of the screening. And in the video, Elba is seen popping the big question on one knee in front of the entire audience. Just in time for Valentine's Day. You see, now there is a man who knows how to be romantic. You could learn a thing or two, Joel.
I mean, apart from Idris being my actor's goals, you know, I think it was a really nice sentiment. The man them kind of really step up the game still in terms of the proposals. Because, I mean, that's a big crowd. And he's a top man, so...
Well, I feel the pressure, you know, like if the man proposing for other people, you have to say yes. I mean, you can't embarrass him. That's the best way to go. You have to say yes.
But, you know, it's just crazy how the women got so... You know, I was reading a thread, actually, because I saw the story yesterday, and the ladies were like, no, no! I was like, really? The man have to propose.
But
well,
yeah, technically,
kind of
I'm
nice.
not really married yet, so I'm kind of still available.
Yeah, I mean,
next.
No, on to some really nice news. Jamaican bobsleigh team member Jasmine Fenlater Victorian broke down during a press conference at the Winter Olympics in Pyeongchang on Saturday. She spoke about the importance of children seeing people who look like them compete in the Olympics, and not just the Olympics, you know anything international. Good. Let's take a look at the video. I was scrolling.
It is important for me that little girls...
Keep going.
Little girls and little boys see someone that looks like them, talks like them, has the same culture as them, has crazy curly hair and wears it natural, has brown skin, included in different things in this world. When you grow up and you don't see that, you feel that you can't do it, and that is not right. So coming back home to Jamaica, I wanted my Jamaican people to see that they can do it.
One-on-one interviews, we'll have another press conference.
Love that.
You know, it's always you know, you always get that sense of pride whenever something like this happens.
Yep.
You know, and it's just amazing how they're representing us so well. Being a Jamaican team there, you know, a lot of the whole bobsleigh talk came from the movie that was done years ago, and to actually see them there, you know, participating. It's amazing.
I feel as if we have been representing ourselves well, just as Jamaicans all across the world. So love that, Jasmine. Thank you very much for that. Now, Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Babsy Grange, has announced that recording artist Etana is the first female recipient of financial support through the ministry's Artist Ambassador and Tour Support Program.
No, the ministry has given Etana a grant of $5,000 to support her 32-city tour of the United States.
And Grange made a symbolic check presentation to Etana recently, and the ministry reported this in a release. Now, Grange also said Etana, being the first female, is most deserving of the support, and we, as in the ministry, know that it's not an easy task for any artist to tour for a length of time and to cover all the expenses.
Yes.
And touring is more in keeping with promoting their work and not necessarily making money. So it's about the development of the career of the artist and exposure of the artist's product, according to Grange.
Yeah, you know, a lot of persons are, well, not a lot, but people started to question why Etana was selected for this. And,
I'm not surprised.
it only leads me to make one statement, have other persons asked for support before, and, I think it's probably coming from that.
And even if she didn't ask, the thing is, we're clearly starting a program
And that
for
is
it.
it. That is
and
what
so
it
it's
boils
encouraged
down to.
me to turn an artist too. But no, seriously. And I love that. I love that we've started something because we continue to complain that, hey, we're not supporting the athletes and we're not supporting the artists and you're representing Brand Jamaica. Well, see, we've started something. She just happens to be the first. And Etana was very grateful for the support and actually said she will continue to promote Jamaica as she tours. And she also thanked Grange for the continuous support of reggae music and the reggae culture, I know for sure. And I just love how Babsy always gets involved.
Yes, and it's a doorway now for other artists who are emerging or need that necessary support. They can. No, Sunny, not other artists.
Do it for the love.
To actually reach out under that. No, if you are a landlord, there is a new way of getting tenants out of your property for unpaid rent. Listen up. Watch this video, please.
For 4 years, got notice, 2 time and don't want to move. Condition apply. This is a paid announcement by the landlord of lot 127 Cedar Grove Crescent, Muggill Palm. This tenant or rent for 24 months, whole water bill for 4 years, got notice, 2 time and don't want to move. Condition apply. This is a paid announcement by the landlord of lot 127 Cedar Grove Crescent, Muggill Palm. This tenant or rent for 24 months, whole water bill for 4 years, got notice, 2 time and don't want to move.
Love him.
Conditions apply.
Not conditions, condition apply. Condition apply. Get it right. I'm not gonna laugh.
Listen,
I'm not gonna laugh.
That get it on WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram. Listen, Jamaicans, we are a creative set of people,
about creative. I heard Bambina do something with it this morning. So he's playing Don't Worry, Be Happy. And what he did was he dropped this. Right at the part where we're going to say if you owe your landlord rent. He dropped it right there and continued with the song. I'm like, no.
I'll tell you, we are set up at my love way. My love way.
Condition apply.
No, an Instagram giveaway is here for you. No, because
condition apply.
Condition apply. No, because it's Valentine's Day. Our friends over at T3 Creperie are giving away 2 gift certificates worth $5,000 each. Now, here's what you need to do. Head over to our Instagram right now at TVJ_daytime live. Take out the phone, them come and say they send a WhatsApp message.
Yes.
We want to see if you are listening to Buzz.
Okay.
Now, here's the first question.
I'm listening.
To win a gift certificate valued $5,000.
Ready.
What is the name of Idris Elba's fiancée? Shh. You can't answer. And here's the second question. What is the name of our Jamaican bobsleigh team member who broke down during a press interview?
Okay.
We're not giving them the hints,
But what if I don't remember the surname, but I remember the first name? Can that...
No, man, you have to get the full
whole
name.
Thing? Oh,
full name. And Facebook fans.
Well, Facebook fans, tell you what. We have more giveaways for you from mothers or sponsors, so keep watching. We're going to do that a little later in the show. Yes. You have shout-outs, don't you?
Yeah, man, I have shout-outs. Daytime shout-out to, well, more like a happy birthday shout-out to Alex Burnett from Total Tools, coming from your mother, lovely mother, Vinette.
Hi, Vinette. All right, so the last time I actually called up Odessa name, Odessa help a customer. So I'm shouting out my producer Odessa, but Odessa also wants to give a shout out where she got her coffee at the Dolce place. Yes? So we give her a shout out. And I want to give a shout out to all the people at 100 who accommodated Craigie T and I, because
listen.
Joel stood us up.
First of all,
I'm not finished. Duffy stood us up. Nisha Yen stood us up.
Listen,
yes,
let
but
me
you guys
explain.
took care of us.
First of all, you don't even know the people.
We're supposed to wrap up.
Daytime shout out to Dolores from 100. Now listen, me got early, so we plan to have link up. Went early, no Craig, no Sonic, and
No
Dolores was
Dustard.
the only one there showing me around which part of them they. Well, not which part of them they where they were supposed to be.
Meet, right?
Yeah, exactly.
But
so
you
Dolores,
you acted so uptown and left though. You're supposed to wait for your team. You're supposed to wait for your team.
I was there for
Tell
an
you
hour
what,
and a
can
half.
you guys just wait for us until we come back? We're going to a break. You're watching Daytime Live. We'll soon come.
Everybody now, let me see your hands up.